Hi guys, this is Colton, and today, it's actually nighttime. Tonight, I'm going to be doing the CP30 Cycro Flipper, and it's basically a car, so, at first you might think that this will do it a wheelie and a donut, but actually it's kind of like tracks this. Makes it go all the way forward and turn. And then if you hit a bump, it'll flip and it will still run. And then it'll flip again, it'll still run. But mine doesn't work on the white side. And it's pretty cool. I think it can float, but my mom says no, it can't. It don't in the water. And it says right here, it's got a little cool sticker. Breaker leaf, motor oil, Firestone, and then it says Stick Racing 36X7, and then we got the car, which is the on and off switch, and this you just unscrew this and then take this off and put the batteries in there, and the remote takes one 90-volt rectangle battery, and you just pull that off, and then here's the battery in there, square battery, and then you just take it out if you need to replace it, and then push the new one back in. And that's it for that video. Bye!